What's good, everybody? It's your boy JRE, and right now we about to check out Black Swan roll up. Now, everybody named Mama. It didn't matter what video I uploaded. I know I'm like, listen, I've been busy. Everybody been telling me about Black Swan's roll up, how good it is, how I should check it out, and I'm ready. I'm ready for it. Give it to me, please. All four of y'all, all members. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Without further ado, shall we just get into this? In 3, 2, 1. Bow. Roll up. Oh, the coloring, the color correction in this. Okay, man, I'm looking back at it. Black Swan bar. Damn. I know it must have been hot as hell. Oh shit. 4 baddies into a bar to a bunch of other baddies. Dang. Wow. Karma, bitch. Is that what Karma's a bitch? She got playing cards as earrings. I don't know what kind of earrings you got, or I don't know what you got too, but god damn. Y'all beautiful. Ooh, okay, transition. Okay, production. Ooh.
Yeah. When I step in the room like that, she's an engine today.
Okay, we starting off strong. Hold up. Oh. Woo. Hey. Oh, she came in hard. What the hell? Hold up. Rewind. First of all, sorry. I didn't mean to. Let's just continue. Alright, let me calm down. Rakataka? Be more honest. Rakataka. Damn, okay. We're going through. Ooh. What's an agent? Hold on, I need to know what the hell agent is. What the hell? Is that a real word? Not to like, this is for my own knowledge. Agent. I don't know how to pronounce it. The strongest link between branches of a tree or roots of a tree. Also in French, it's act. Alright, back to the music video. Sorry. I should have been doing this on my second look. Woo! 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 Okay. Oh, that little instrumental. Sorry for the pause. That little instrumental in the back too. Ooh! Yes, Miss Ma'am. Hey! Woo! Listen, you rolling up. Listen, you rolling up. Is that a whip? Ooh. Ooh. Her voice just takes control. I really need to check out Black Swan live too. Woo. This man, show that confidence. Show that confidence. Ooh. Oh, little. This is like demanding. I have to like watch. Then roll up. Oh my god, let's serve it looks all the time, bruh. Okay. Ooh. Hey. I like that they kept the throom, like that little stomp. Like throom. Oh, this is an anthem. Ooh. Okay, she went. Hey. Oh, that's it? I was really getting into it already. I know that fire fake because you're not gonna let them be around all that fire. Hold up, we need to redo. We need to check this out again. Hold on, I'm gonna play it back, switch it up. All right, roll up. DR Music Entertainment presents. I like the little country beginning. Okay. Red Dead Redemption. Wait, what did it say in the title? Phones, cable TV, kitchen, net TV, and say food or pood? Whatever. I'm here for Black Swan. Damn, you look good. They must have been hella high wherever this was being filmed. Bar saloon. Love the color correction in this. Ooh. Oh, she had leaf like earrings. Yeah, throw that hat into transition. Bop. Bro, that first shot right there though. I'm sorry.
Yeah. When I step in the room like that, she's an intricate day.
She's so bad. Okay. Damn, Fatu. Wait, what'd you say? Benefits. Bro. She really captures the room. I mean, they all do individually too. That's just fire too. It's a strong song. Hey. Roll up. It's my favorite part. Oh my god, I thought she said excuse my language. That rose too. Oh my god. Okay. They serving. This world is our aged. What an interesting word. And they're in a where are they? They're in a construction, or is this is not a dumpster area, is it? What is this place? What's the background? Like it's where scrap metal goes? Like construction, right? Yeah, I see like a ooh, that shot right here. Whoa, hey yo, wallpaper. That's a wallpaper right there. Damn. Oh, they're really all. Oh my god, they're all beautiful. Wait a second. Hold up. Woo. Woo. Ooh. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Where we going? Hey. Hey. Whoa. I really do like that addition after like the The ruffling, the vroom, like the marching sound. Bro, they getting it. What the hell? Make me want to do it too. Rolling up, rolling up, rolling up. Hey! Hey! God damn. Oh, they strong. Their aura at 1,000,000. What the hell? I see why y'all wanted me to watch Black Swan roll up. I get it. It's very strong. Especially for 2. You start out hella strong. I don't know. Your voice just commands. And you know this. You know this. Even on your TikTok lives when I be like lurking, I be like, damn, she got a nice voice. They all do command too. Rolling up, rolling up, rolling up. Like that part, my God. My God. First of all, it's in my head too. Man, everybody and their mama on this music video popped off. What the hell? Okay. Alright, put a comment down below what you guys think of Black Swan's roll up. Link in the description for the full music video. Go stream it. Go stream it. Be sure to check out the podcast, Ultimate Bias K-Popcast. Link in the description. First episode with DPR Ian. It's a great episode. I do recommend to check it out. Go check out my Patreon. Also link in the description. Join my Discord to keep up with what's up with me. And there's a lot of amazing people there in the community. Instagram, TikTok at Just Random every day. Yeah, it's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, you put some hard work into it, it might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to follow and subscribe to my Patreon. We got first listens. We also got reactions to lives that I can't post on YouTube. And if a reaction gets blocked, it's uploaded here too. And we got anime reactions as well. We react to variety shows. Please recommend me a K-drama that you want me to react to. So be sure to follow the Patreon. See you guys there. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.